So hello guys, I'm here to read video, maybe on I don't know how many minutes, but I want to talk about something. So today is 14th May, and I want to show you something here. Okay, you see that? I was trying to show it there. I stopped there, and my target is here. So there, and it definitely I am targeting that. These are equal lows, so that. So the the way to go about how to you know learn how to become better in these markets is to take read and give yourself advantage to take the loss, take the loss, take the calculated loss, and just just show up and learn how to take read, and it's gonna be good. Okay, what do I mean by tape reading? uh Simply observing how price is printing as on these levels here. So what are these levels? These levels are all the PDRAs, like the buy side imbalance, sell side imbalance. Um, we're going to talk about liquidity. We're going to talk about new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps, grading these weeks here, like what you see here, what I'm doing here. So I'm looking at this week here, here. See that? I want to see how price reacts on that. You see how that was? So what's the high? Look here. So okay, let me just pop that out. So the high 29,600.9, 29,600.8. So that's simply how I'm doing that. Tape reading, tape reading, tape reading. I'm gonna pull that back there. So was liquidity here. So don't mind about it. This levels here. So taking pressures here and take something out here. Here. Take out. Let me even take out long hands. Let me just. Oh god damn. So I want to take out a partial, taking out six, and let nobody lie to you. Partials pay, okay? Partials do pay. So still looking on that. I don't know why it's not showing this, but this is not market replay. This is this is live markets. Okay, I don't I just can't do this on market replay. So uh, there, supposed to be there, bro. But so also in market replay, you can see these buttons here, the sell and the buy button. You can see that. Okay, checking out partials. Check out for. So I have how many contracts? Two contracts. Uh, okay. So I want to observe how this is going to be treated here and this here. This was liquidity. This one here. Read through that. So the question that you're gonna ask yourself is who is making the money, and those who are making the money, that's who you are targeting. Okay, that's what you're gonna target. In this case, how did I come up with deciding how I was gonna go shorts here? Because I learned from Michael that when it's launch zone, price tends to go for liquidity that it left during the AM session, from 10 a.m. onwards. Okay, so that is important because it helped me at least decide on this kind of setup show. Okay, this one here. So if it shows and I know the time is what the time is, and I see I am observing what liquidity we are having, like this liquidity here and this here, I'm definitely gonna look for an entry, and it's going. It's really going fast. So why did I choose this market again? Because it's it becomes clearer in tape reading. Okay, I was I was working with gold, and that shit showed me fucking dust in intraday trading. Okay, I do not like that. Sunset imbalance there. Looking at that, how price will react on that. So how do I? Why am I saying how price will react on that? So basically, what I'm talking about when I'm saying that is the consequent encroachment there, level there. So I'm gonna manage the other lots without you, but I'm still gonna take a look at the market. So what I'm looking at here is this here, okay? Also another one here. This is a suspension block here. Why do I say that? Because it has volume imbalances to the both sides, okay? On both sides. That's a suspension block. So wanna see how price will react on the consequent encroachment level there? And also to the extreme, I have this week here. So I do not expect price to come above that. So my stop there. So that's it. Um I'll talk to you later.